Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the MiniTool free video converter app. So they have several versions. So the free one, you could convert videos. You could actually extract audio from videos. So if you just want to save the audio part of a file, you could do that. They have a video download section where you could download videos from YouTube. But for this, I believe you only get to do 5 of them. I don't know if it's per day or altogether, so you'd have to try it out for yourself. And then they have a built-in screen recorder if you want to record your screen. And then if you click on Edit Video, it'll take you to their website where you can download their Movie Maker program, which is free as well. All right, then at the bottom here we have the output directory, which you could change. Then you have your conversion settings, and you could do multiple videos at once if you want to. So you could add files here, or you could drag and drop them. All right, so let's look at this video, for example. Here we go to the properties. So it is 2.43 gigabytes. It's 2.7K, so here's the dimensions here, and it's almost 6 minutes. So drag this in here. All right, so it tells us the details here. So MP4, the duration, the scale, the file size, and then here's our export option here. So if we click here, it'll show you your recently used settings, but if you go to video, let's say we want to drop it down to 1080p but keep it in MP4, we could do that. And then you can see it's reducing the size from 2.5 gigabytes to 175 megabytes. So that's a pretty good reduction there. So of course you have to keep in mind if you're reducing the video size and reducing the resolution, it's not going to look as sharp, but for things like a web page, or if you just need something that's a smaller size in general, you could do that. So once you have the settings the way you want them, just click on Convert. It'll convert the file and put it in the directory that you specify here, which was the desktop. All right, so let's try this out. This might take a while here. All right, so I'll have to pause the video and then be back when it's done, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, so the conversion is complete. It took about 5.5 minutes to do. So if we look at the properties of our converted video here, we can see it's now 174 megabytes instead of 2.5 gigabytes. 1920 by 1080, still the same length. All right, here's the original. So it's going to be a little bit choppy because the way I'm recording, I'm also recording at a low resolution. And here's the converted one. Not as clear, but still looks okay, especially for the size difference. All right, so let's clear this out. And we'll try this one here. All right, so right now it is 9 minutes, 288 megabytes, 1920 by 1080. And you can see if we use the last setting, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So we can try reducing it. Let's say to 720. And you can see for this one, it didn't reduce it that much. We did like a WMV at 720. It actually makes it bigger. Same with that one. So you can see certain videos are not going to compress that well. So if that's your goal, you might find it hard to do on certain videos. But of course, if you want to convert them to a different type of video, you could do that easily with this program. All right, so now for this one, since we have it here, let's try the audio option. So we could extract the audio from the video into these formats here. So if we just did an MP3 high quality, click on Convert. All right, so now we have the audio file, which is only 20 megabytes compared to 288 megabytes for the audio and video. Okay, so that's how you convert a video file and then also how you extract the audio from your file. So if we go to Video Download, this will take you right to the YouTube page, and then you could paste a link in there. Okay, so we have this video here. So you can play your video from here and you click on the download button. You could pick your format here. All right, so we'll just click on download. We'll keep it at 1080. Now this tells you that you could download up to 5 videos. Afterwards, you could only download half the length of the video unless you upgrade. But we'll continue with the trial here. Click on this button here to take us to the file, or we could play it. So there is our downloaded YouTube video right there. Then while we're here, we'll click on this key icon here to show you what it costs if you wanted to buy it. So $10 a month. If you do 1 month, 6 months for $30 right now, not a bad deal. And then 1 year for $50. So this is an option if you plan on downloading a bunch of YouTube videos. As you can see here, the main differences between the plans are the download unlimited videos. And with this plan, you get 1 month upgrade, 6 month upgrade, and 12 months upgrade. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same thing. So the main difference, like I said, is being able to download the YouTube videos. Then up here we have some settings, how many conversions you could do at a time, where your downloaded videos will go from YouTube, and your recordings. Alright, so as you can see, it's a pretty good program for being free if you're just looking for something to convert videos into other formats or to actually convert them into something smaller. Of course, you could do a conversion into, from a 720 to a 1080p, but that's not necessarily going to make it look better just because you change it to a higher resolution. So keep that in mind. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download MiniTool Video Converter free, and then you can try it for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.